There was a time when like soft life, soft girl era, you know, black women in luxury, black women in femininity, all of this kind of stuff was a huge conversation, self-care, whatever. Like there was a time where probably for about like 4 or 5 years this was a huge conversation in the culture. And I will tell you something. I never felt like I could fully relate to those messages strictly because of the kind of career that I picked, right? Like I was kind of like, I mean, yeah, that works if you don't have the kind of business that most of us in the culinary world have, right? Where or it can be long days, long hours, lots of physical labor, right? And even before that trend of those conversations started happening, it was just kind of like, I would see like coaches and things and the whole nomadic and digital lifestyle and all that kind of stuff. And again, I feel like that doesn't apply to those of us in the culinary space because we have to be hands on. We have to be cooking. We have to be serving clients, whether we're catering, whether we're doing dinner parties, whether we're personal chefing, whatever the case may be. And the only option that I saw available for a really, really long time was like food blogging and content creation, which is fine, which is great, can be super duper lucrative, but it takes time to build the monthly page views and to get the brand contracts and the ad networks, and you have to meet all these requirements and all that kind of stuff like that, right? And I just remember thinking like self-care and chef life felt like polar opposites. It felt like an oxymoron until I got back to cooking classes. And I've been talking about this recently. Like cooking classes, I think are really for those of us who were like, I got into food because I love to cook, I love to entertain, I love to bring people together, but I didn't think it was going to feel like this. Like I don't want to be in the back. I don't want to feel like the hired help. And there's nothing wrong with that, but it's like we got in it for a different reason, and all of those different versions of food businesses, whether you have a brick and mortar, whether you're doing custom desserts, it doesn't feel like that, right? And I was like, what would the soft life look like as a chef who owns a business? Uh, Cooking classes is the only thing. And it's literally why I've been coming back and I've been doing these videos talking about cooking classes, talking about why I have completely revamped Gourmet Grad School to exclusively focus on helping people build fully fledged cooking schools, like online, not just one-off classes, because self-care.